For those of you who don't know us, Oxfam is a global non-governmental organization dedicated to ending poverty, inequality, and injustice throughout the world. We are at a pivotal moment in the COVID-19 pandemic, as others have already said. And thanks to brilliant scientists in the public and private sectors, we now have multiple effective vaccines. But the distribution of those vaccines is vastly unequal, which threatens to prolong the devastation we're seeing all around us, here in the US and around the world. Now, right now, just a handful of giant pharmaceutical corporations have monopoly control over the life-saving technologies we all need. They control how many doses are produced, where they are manufactured and sold, and at what price. Now, this has created a vast chasm of inequality. With only 4% of the world's population, the US has bought up almost 50% of Pfizer's total expected supply in 2021. According to UNICEF, 130 countries have yet to administer a single dose of a vaccine. As others have said, this inequality is a moral, public health, and economic disaster. Rather than slicing the existing pie of vaccines even more finely, we need to share the recipe so that we have enough for everyone. We need a people's vaccine, a vaccine that is free to everyone around the world, that is fairly distributed based on need and not on nationality or ability to pay, and that it is a global public good with shared technology that can leverage the full extent of the world's manufacturing capacity. President Biden has an opportunity to lead right now to make this vision a reality. Under President Trump, the US failed to use a key tool to produce more doses more quickly by blocking a proposal supported by more than 100 countries. President Biden should support the proposed WTO mechanism to waive TRIPS monopoly protections that will enable generic manufacture and widespread distribution of life-saving vaccines. As others have already said, COVID anywhere is COVID everywhere. This is a key step to make us all safer. I yield.